In today's world, war is no longer fought just on battlefields. The wars of the future will unfold across 6 interconnected domains: land, sea, air, cyber, space, and even the human mind. Each domain will demand new strategies, advanced technologies, and raise terrifying ethical questions. In this video, we dive deep into each of these 6 domains to reveal how future conflicts may be fought. Land warfare has always been the most familiar form of conflict, but future land battles will look nothing like the past. Traditional infantry will increasingly be supported or even replaced by autonomous ground robots armed with AI-driven targeting systems. Unmanned ground vehicles, UGVs, can scout neutralize threats and engage targets without risking human lives. Nations like the United States, Russia, and China are developing combat robots that can fight independently or in swarms. AI-powered logistics will make battlefield supply chains faster and harder to disrupt. 3D printing on the front lines may produce replacement parts or even weapons on demand. Augmented reality AR headsets will give soldiers real-time information overlays, enemy positions, drone feeds, and battlefield maps. Exoskeleton suits will enhance soldier strength, endurance, and survivability. But the real game changer? AI commanders capable of processing millions of variables in seconds, guiding entire units in real time. The sea has long been critical for global power projection. In future wars, naval warfare will be even more automated and stealth-driven. Next-generation submarines will operate with near-complete autonomy, hiding in ocean depths for months undetected. Hypersonic anti-ship missiles travelling at Mach 5 or more threaten even the most advanced carrier groups. China's DF-21D carrier killer and Russia's Zircon missile already demonstrate this terrifying capability. Unmanned surface vessels, USVs, and underwater drones will conduct reconnaissance, minesweeping, and even offensive strikes. Naval cyber warfare may disable ships remotely, corrupt GPS signals, or shut down vital systems before a shot is ever fired. Directed energy weapons like lasers will defend fleets against incoming missiles, drones, and aircraft. Future sea battles may unfold without a single human aboard many combat vessels. In the air, the rise of autonomous drones is redefining air superiority. Unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, will fly dangerous missions that manned fighters cannot risk. The US Air Force's Loyal Wingman program pairs piloted jets with AI-controlled drone partners. Hypersonic aircraft will fly at speeds exceeding Mach 10, making them nearly impossible to intercept. Laser weapons mounted on planes may destroy enemy missiles mid-flight. AI-piloted dogfights will occur at speeds and reaction times far beyond human capability. Electronic warfare jets will jam enemy radars, blind air defences, and confuse missile guidance systems. Future air battles will be a contest between algorithms rather than pilots. In cyber warfare, the battlefield is invisible but devastatingly real. Nation-states already engage in daily cyber skirmishes, stealing secrets, sabotaging infrastructure, and manipulating public opinion. Critical infrastructure like power grids, water supplies, and transportation networks are vulnerable to cyber attacks. Advanced Persistent Threat (APT) groups, often state-sponsored, silently infiltrate systems and lie dormant until activated. AI will supercharge both offensive and defensive cyber capabilities, identifying vulnerabilities at machine speed. Quantum computing may one day render current encryption obsolete, exposing entire nations to digital blackmail. Fake news, deepfakes, and AI-generated propaganda will be powerful psychological weapons. The greatest cyber war may occur without a single bullet being fired. Space is rapidly becoming militarized as nations race to control the high ground. Anti-satellite ASAT weapons can destroy or disable critical satellites, blinding military forces below. Space-based missile defense systems may detect and intercept ICBMs in their boost phase. Countries are developing maneuverable killer satellites capable of ramming, hacking, or disabling enemy space assets. The US Space Force, China's Strategic Support Force, and Russia's aerospace forces are investing heavily in space dominance. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin may be drawn into future conflicts by controlling vital launch infrastructure. The weaponization of space will create an entirely new form of arms race above our heads. The most unsettling domain of future warfare is the human mind itself. Neurotechnology could allow direct manipulation of emotions, thoughts, and decision-making. Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, may enable soldiers to control drones or robots with pure thought. DARPA's next-gen non-surgical neurotechnology program is already developing wearable BCIs for battlefield command. Mind hacking could become a terrifying tool in psychological warfare, implanting false memories or erasing real ones. Chemical or electromagnetic methods may alter brain states to create hyper-focused super soldiers or disable enemies without violence. The ethical dangers of mind-domain warfare are profound and unprecedented. In the wars of the future, even our thoughts may not be safe. The 6 domains of future warfare — land, sea, air, cyber, space and mind — are merging into one seamless battle space. Technology offers both unparalleled power and existential risks. The nations that master these domains may control the fate of the world. But as we hurtle toward this future, one question remains: will humanity use these powers for protection or for destruction?